everybody. My name is Karen McGraw, and I'm the managing editor for Rose Kids. What I'm going to do is demonstrate one of the great illusions from our book, Gospel Illusions by Randy Burtis. You notice it says right here, object lessons that you can do. If I can do it, you can do it. Every one of our illusions connects to a Bible truth. Now, this first one tells us that all things are possible with God. There's nothing that God can't do. In fact, the Bible tells us He's omnipotent. That means no matter what, He is all-powerful. If you ever face a situation in your life and you think, I just don't know what to do, it's impossible. I'm never going to get through this. Remember, all things are possible with God. Now, what I'm going to show you, you may have noticed there's a little hole in this paper. See the hole? Well, here's something impossible. We want to get this quarter through that hole without tearing the paper. But the quarter's too big. It won't go through no matter what I do. But remember, all things are possible with God. God has a way of seeing things we don't see and knowing how situations can work in ways we never even considered. And you know what? It is possible to get a quarter through a hole in a piece of paper that's too small without tearing the paper. So next time you see a quarter, I want you to remember that all things are possible with God. Mark 10:27. And this is Gospel Illusions by Randy Burtis.